From the depths of classified archives, a truth best left untold. She lived alone in a quiet suburb. No pets, no roommates, just peace. Until the doorbell started ringing. Every night, at exactly 3:17 a.m., the bell would chime. Always once, always with no one there. She installed a camera, but the footage? It showed nothing. No motion, no light, no sound. Until one night, the camera caught her. At the door. Just standing there, not moving for 46 minutes. She doesn't remember going outside or standing still, but the footage shows her mouth moving, like she's whispering. Last night, the bell rang again. She checked the footage. This time, she's not alone.